Yan, shore leave. Shore leave. Uy, putik. Delikado yung sagda na to. Baka sabay sila ni Hepe. Bahala na. Yeah. Yun o. Boom. Solid. Boss. Oh. Yes talaga o. Short leave. Short leave. Gil. Kahit siya doon, di ba sumama? Pala niya, sama. Tutuloy sana siya kung kasama sila. Hindi na pwede bumalik.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, that's nice.
Oh, the gin. Oh, you were there.
May ganito sila sa atin.
Which sorry?
Can I sit here beside you?
Yeah, can if you want. It's a stupid thing to get into. There's no door there.
Ah, I see.
But that's alright, you can get in there if you want, eh?
So I can do some video.
Okay na, dito na tayo. Japanese bus, see? No good.
Ah, this Japanese.
Eh, Toyota.
Toyota.
Because there's farms out there, there's a lot of chemicals in this water, so it's not very clean. You probably can't drink it, but it's fresh water. And just behind where we come across the railway line, that's where the fresh water meets the sea water. This house is worth about $2 million, Australian dollars each. And years ago, this used to be the wharf where the ships used to pull up there. And that's 200 years ago. These are long time. These are mangroves. It's a mangrove swamp. Normally up in Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and the top of Australia.
Yeah, also in the Philippines, sir.
And this little bit here is the only bit south of the northern hemisphere that grows. Just in there, nowhere else in Western Australia.
West or south.
Yeah. Up here is the Dolphin Centre.
Yeah.
It's not expensive to get there, but there's no dolphins in there when you go in there. So you got all the pictures and all the things on dolphins. And it's mainly designed for the Japanese tourists, and they have little boats going out. And the boats go out, and the dolphins in season they come in and they feed. You can feed the dolphins. They come up to the boat. All right, so that's supposed to be a dolphin there. Looks a bit like an aeroplane, but a dolphin.
Zephyr.
This is the kids' beach here, where all the kids go with their parents. It's all lovely white sand, big playground area, plenty of parking, and on the weekends you can't move in there, you know, maybe 2,000, 3,000 people. This is a caravan park here, or a trailer park. See the Aboriginal.
Welcome to Singapore.
Ito na tayo sa Australia.
Ito na kami ngayon sa Seaman's Club ng Banbury. Pili na, Gil. Ayos talaga.
Susot. Shopping tayo dito.
Shopping. Free po yan, free. Free din dito. Mga sapato. Tingin tayo. Pa-credit card na lang ako. Bro. Kasi wala talaga. Mahirap lang ako. May mga kurunan nang galing na dito. Ready sila sa Pasko. Sama. Meron silang piano. Sige, game o, game. Tingnan nga natin to. Ako naman.
Okay, yan. Tapyada man. Panis. Nasa ilalim ng lamesa. Oh,
Panis.
Bili tayo souvenir board.
Kaya nga. Uy, panis.
There, look, there you can see the light.
May mga bike din sila. Uy.
O tayo na, tara! Ayoko na!
Tara, akyat. Let's go up.
Hindi ka naligo.
Rotary Lookout Tower.
Tumami ng barko na eh. Parang dumpsite eh.
Kahit magpabango ka, wala. Dapat insecticide na lang mo eh.
Baygon yung may spray mo sa katawan.
Dala kayo ng spray pang peste.
Uy, panis. Yan.
House! House, bili ka muna ng chichineros. Baka kami tindahan. Dali sa restaurants. Bili expander. Uy! May
Slay, di ba?
blockchain, no? May love lock.
Ano?
Love lock pa. Oh, may mga pangalan pa. Ito. Magkakaiwalay din kayo. Hindi kayo mag- Love lock.
Uy, Atinola oh. Canyon Hill Lookout.